Joyce, they are targeting one of the felony charges, recklessly endangering safety, as well as one of the misdemeanor charges, possessing a dangerous weapon by somebody under the age of 18. It is the latest attack on how prosecutors drafted the criminal complaint. Since his arrest in Illinois, Kyle Rittenhouse's legal team has tried to pick apart the work of prosecutors in Kenosha County and the criminal complaint they filed just after the August 25th shootings. First, they argued the Wisconsin paperwork was insufficient, but a judge disagreed and ordered the teen returned back to Wisconsin. Now the Rittenhouse legal team is going after the individual charges, like possessing a dangerous weapon by someone under the age of 18, a misdemeanor, writing, "The criminal complaint fails to state a legally sufficient violation of the law." The defense argument does not mention, however, the video of the shooting or several other videos showing Rittenhouse, who was 17, carrying the rifle. Nor does the argument mention their client's own words.
No, I don't regret it. I feel I had to protect myself. I would have died that night if I didn't.
The other charge Rittenhouse wants thrown out is the felony charge of recklessly endangering safety with the use of a dangerous weapon. His lawyers mention Richard McGinnis, a man who tried to help Joseph Rosenbaum, who died after Rittenhouse shot him. Defense lawyers write, McGinnis is alleged to have been behind and slightly to the right of Rosenbaum during the shooting. However, that does not mean McGinnis was in the line of fire or that his safety was legitimately endangered.
Well, Derek, is there a timeline for the judge to make a decision on this request?
There is not, Joyce. Typically what happens in these cases, when one legal side makes a request of the court, you will see the opposing side, in this case that would be the prosecutors, file their response in court. But the important thing is that Kyle Rittenhouse actually has a preliminary hearing scheduled for tomorrow morning, and it's unclear if this request will be part of the discussion tomorrow morning. Joyce?